to Expert SEM, Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called touch labor. Touch labor refers to the hands-on aspect of production or the technical aspects of an organization, task or services. You can directly trace the touch labor cost to a product. It is usually at the operational level and can be considered the cost of workers who touch the company's product. Most people will more commonly call it as a direct labor. Touch labor involves the hours of work actually used in the production of a product. Companies will often list touch labor under their manufacturing cost. Generally, a company will classify touch labor employees as non-exempt from federal and state labor laws, including qualifying for overtime pay. Touch labor also refers to workers directly involved in providing a service if the company is service-based. Service-based organizations include restaurant, airlines, banks, movie theater, and retail store. Example could be a company will consider any employee who creates a product to be a part of touch labor. Example could include assembly line worker, employees operating machinery, and delivery truck drivers. Any employee dealing with packing, stamping, and product quality control is also an example of touch labor. Products a company is manufacturing can range from technology item, art material, food product to home supplies. In a restaurant that is a service setting, employees working in kitchen preparing the food and servers servicing customer are considered touch labor. In a retail store, the sales clerk and cashiers who engage with the customer would be touch laborers. For airline, touch labor include the air hostess providing food and beverage during the flight, as well as baggage workers ensuring your bags are on the plane. Online businesses or software companies will also have a touch labor. Any employee with direct contact in creating a product or service, including freelancer or contractor, is considered touch labor. For example, if a company provides informational articles on their website, the writer or graphic designer creating the post content is a touch laborer. Similarly, a software engineer that works on creating software a company sells to their client is also considered as a touch labor employee. Thanks for watching. Bye.